All right, now we want to move this logic into a middleware function so we can reuse it in multiple places. Back in the project, inside the middleware folder, let's add a new file called validate object id.js. In this module, we export a simple function with 3 parameters: request, response, and next. Now, back in our route handler, we cut this code here and move it inside this function. So if this parameter is not a valid object ID, we're going to return the 404 error. Otherwise, we'll pass control to the next middleware function, which is in this case our route handler. Now here we have a dependency to Mongoose, so we need to import it on the top. So constant Mongoose require Mongoose. We're done with this middleware function. Now back to our genres module. On the top, we need to import this middleware function. So constant validate object ID. We set this to require one level up middleware / validate object ID. Now back to our route. Here we're going to apply this middleware function. So validate object ID. Now here's the beauty of our integration tests. We have covered all the execution paths in this route handler. So when we save the changes, we're going to go back in the terminal and see if all tests are passing or not. So save. Back in the terminal, you can see all tests are passing. Beautiful. So with automated tests, we can refactor our code with confidence.